I'm going to demonstrate a circuit breaker shunt trip mechanism. And what I have here is some DC circuit breakers. The two poles here are for the DC voltage, and this pole here is for the shunt trip. It's a 24-volt coil. So what I've got set up here to demonstrate is I've got 12 volts running this light. It's coming through the first pole. You can see that the breaker is on. I'll turn the breaker off, and that interrupts the current going to the light. Turn the breaker back on. The circuit is on. Over here I've got 25, a little over 25 volts. This is coming from the two batteries here. I have them in series. So this battery is powering 12 volts for the light, and then these two batteries in series are going to energize the coil for the shunt trip. Okay, so the coil is across these two terminals, and the coil is not polarity sensitive, so it does not matter if I put the positive or the negative on which side of the coil. So I'll apply the positive and then the negative, and you can see the effect. The circuit trips immediately, and it is a pulse, so you just need to apply a quick pulse and it will trip the circuit breaker. But you can see how handy this shunt trip is, because if you want to cut the circuit remotely, you just apply 24 volts to that coil and it shuts down immediately.